Hello everyone, welcome to the Next Tech Minds tutorial. Today we are going to display temperature and humidity on LCD display using DHT11 sensor. These are the components of our today's project. This one is Arduino Uno module. This one is DHT11 sensor which measures temperature and humidity. This one is breadboard. This one is LCD display and these are the jumper wires for connection making. DHT11 sensor has 3 pins, negative, then VCC and output pin. DHT11 is a basic low-cost digital temperature and humidity sensor. Here you can see there are 16 pins on LCD display. So 16 pins soldering into Arduino is very difficult. So I am using this I2C. With this you can reduce the pins with just 4. There are ground, then VCC, SDA and SCN. So let's start with the connection making. Connect this jumper wire to the DHT11 sensor like this. Then similarly for I2C module. Connect this ground pin to the ground of controller. Connect jumper wires to this DHT11 sensor. First one is negative pin. Connect ground pin of DHT11 sensor to ground pin of Arduino Uno. Then connect this output pin of DHT11 sensor to D2 pin of Arduino Uno. And now we need to connect this VCC to 5 volt, but there is one problem. We need to connect VCC pin of I2C again with 5 volt. So we connect positive pin of DHT11 on this breadboard. Similarly, this VCC of I2C pin here, and then common connection for this. We are taking 5 volt from Arduino controller and give it to both the pins. We are done with the DHT11 sensors connection. Now start with I2C module. Here we have to connect this ground pin of I2C module to the ground of controller like this. Then this SDA means serial data to the D4 of controller, and then SCL serial control to the A5 of controller. Ready for that? Connect this SDA means serial data pin to the A4 of controller, and then SCL means serial clock to the A5 of controller. Now we are done with the connection making. We have to upload code on this Arduino controller. So open your Arduino IDE module. This one is our code. From here just you have to verify this code. And then you have to upload this code from here. Here we uploaded code also. Now guys, see, these are the results. It's showing temperature 28 and humidity 58. Now it's done from my side. You guys try it by your side and stay connected for such amazing projects. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.